Hi, in today's video I will show you how to crochet this top. It starts from the top down. You crochet first one part up to here and then another part up to here, and then you connect them together over here. It's a made to measure top, so once you do the strap you do increases, and once you're happy where you want to connect them here, then you start just crocheting in rounds. It's really easy and it's a very fast project. So let's get into it. For this tutorial I'm using a cotton yarn, the 8/8 thickness, and a 5mm hook. I will start by making a strap first, and I will make a chain of 8. And I will start with double crochets from the third stitch from the hook. So now I have 6 double crochets. Now, doing the strap, I will always start my row with 2, with a chain of 2 for the turning chain, and then I'll continue with double crochet on top of each double crochet. So I have 6 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and I will continue until I will reach the desired length of the strap. So I will repeat row 2, so here I have my strap, and it's the length of roughly 62 centimeters, and from here I will start increasing. So I did 41 rows in here, and now on the 42nd row I will start increasing. So this again will be just a turning chain. Now I'm turning my work, and I will do 2 double crochets in this one, now I will make 1 in each stitch and 2 in the last one. And in the last one too. Now again the turning chain, turn my work, and 2 in this one and 2 in the last one. So you'll continue with 2 increases on the sides until you reach the desired area to be covered. So I did, from the moment I started increases, I did 12 rows. We need to make 2 of these. So doing 41 rows up to here, and then 12 more with increases. And we make 2 of these, and then we connect them. So I have 2 of them now, and on one of them I'm cutting the yarn, and with this yarn I'll connect them here. Okay, I connected, and then from here, where I didn't cut the yarn yet, I will start by making a chain that covers my back. So make a long chain that will cover your back, and will come back and close it here. And I will go like that in here with a slip stitch. On top of a double crochet. Okay, now I will start by making a standing double crochet. I will pull up the yarn, go under, pull through the first 2, and pull through the last 2, and this is my standing double crochet. And then I'll continue with double crochet in each stitch. So I did double crochet in each stitch, and I'm closing the round now, and I will close it with, first I will have to do the last double crochet in here, then I will close it here on top of this standing double crochet with a slip stitch. So I did it with a slip stitch, and then I will do again a standing double crochet, and I will continue with double crochet in each stitch, and I will make as many rows as I want to be covered with double crochet stitches. So now, after I'm happy with how many rows I did here, so you basically decide for yourself how many rows you want to have full with double crochet. I checked on myself and I wanted to be covered only up to here. You can do more or less, you can try it on. Now I will start with double treble crochet stitch, and to do first a standing chain I will make 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5. So this is the standing chain. Then I will make an air chain, so it's 6 in total. Now I will make 3 on my hook, skip 1 and do into the next one. Now I'll chain 1 more, and 1, 2, 3, skip 1 and work into the next one. And again, chain 1, 2, 3 and skip. So make like that until the end of a row here. So now here I'm at the end of a row, and basically this stitch is on top of this one, so I have to skip this stitch and then I'll go into this one, and even though I don't have an extra stitch here, I will still make an air loop. So I'll just continue. Okay, and I'll make the air loop, and I'll go into this. So here I will leave this air loop, and I will go here with a slip stitch. Now I will repeat this row until I'm happy with the length of the top. So I will make, like I did here, 6 chains. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I will go on top of each stitch. Chain 1, 2, 3. Chain 1, 2, 3. Now that I did 8 rows here, I'm happy with the length, so I will do a finish line here. So I close this round, and again I will do this standing double crochet in here. And I'll make another double crochet in this one. Then I will make 2 single crochet here. And then a double crochet into this one. And another double crochet. Then 2 single crochet in here. Then again 2 double crochets in here. Two single crochet in here. So this is how I'll do it. So on top of this stitch I'll do 2 double crochets, and in here I'll do 2 single crochets, so on until I will finish the round and then cut the yarn. Now with the back straps, I have calculated the same amount of stitches from here up to here and from here up to here. Then I made another 6 and placed my marker, and here as well 6. And I will make a chain of 2. This is just a standing chain, and I will make a double crochet, then in the next stitch a double crochet, so I have 6 double crochet, and I'll make a chain of 2, turn my work and do double crochet. So I'll make it like that until I have a longer strap, same like we did here, how we started here, and I'll make the same thing for this strap from here to here. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye for now.